This is another series of dorm food ideas wherein I show you food that can easily be done sa dorm nyo. And today, we're going to make cheese hotpot na microwave lang ang kailangan para maluto to. You will be needing petchay and enoki mushrooms, half lang or kaunti lang need nyo dito. Thin beef, yung pang samgyup. For seasoning, make sure lahat ng nasa screen i-add nyo. Mag-add kayo ng chili oil para pangtanggal umay at syempre for seasoning salt. Sa cheddar cheese na slice, pwede kayo mag-substitute ng cheese whiz. Trust me, it tastes the same. Add the cabbage and cover and cook for 10 minutes. Sa sauce, this is optional pero trust me, it tastes different with it. Lagyan nyo na lang lahat ng nasa screen and make sure to mix well and there you have it. Although hindi siya only hot pot, it suits the craving plus andito yung mga veggies and protein that you need for the day. Lalo na habang nag-aaral, nakakagutom talaga yan.